Hello, my love.
We are at Tap Room?
TC Tap House.
We're at TC Tap House, and it's just below the gondola when you first walk into the little resort area. But it's really, really nice in here.
Cool little tap house.
We ordered some brews, and we also got a chili bowl, a chili bison bowl, and it's coming in a bread bowl. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm so exhausted. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And here we go. Bison bread bowl in all of its glory. Is it amazing?
The bread is so good. Oh my god.
Oh, there's jalapenos in here too.
Eat it and then take a bite of your bread.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hi, kitty. He's a little camera shy. Hi, Ren. Hi, baby. Good morning, handsome.
Well, I can't really say it's morning anymore. Still, actually, no, I can. It's 11:32.
It's still the morning time. I don't know if I have my keys. You have yours? Okay. Good morning, good morning. We are going to Denny's because I'm starving. I've been pretty productive this morning. I recorded this makeup look. Pretty bomb? I think so. It is Monday. It is Martin Luther King Day. King Jr. Day. Apologies. So Nick and I had the day off together. And we normally have a Saturday, Sunday off together, but we don't really have Mondays off. I always have to work. So I got today off and we're gonna spend some time. Go get breakfast. Maybe watch a movie. We'll see.
Denny's!
Back streets back.
All right, boy. Ba-na-na-na-na. Oh my gosh, you freak.
Ever since we walked, this is the end.
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
It's like he's never been on a walk before.
I know, like no one ever loved you. Come on. Okay, sit. Sit. Alright, we just finished watching Jumanji 2, and I don't care what anyone says, that was a really good movie. Like, first one was good, second one was great. Now I'm excited for number 3. Hello everybody! We are back home, and we are talking to our friend Jay as soon as he unpauses me. What's up? Say hi, dude.